In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put music on Google Slides. If you've ever tried to add a song the same way you might in other presentation tools, you've probably noticed Google Slides doesn't let you upload an audio file directly from your computer. The good news is there's a simple and reliable workaround using Google Drive, and I'll walk you through it so your music plays exactly when and how you want. Start by making sure your audio is stored in Google Drive. Take your MP3 or WAV file and upload it to your drive so Slides can find it. Once that file is there, open your Google Slides presentation and navigate to the exact slide where you want the music to begin. Position matters here because the audio will be tied to the slide you select. From the top menu, choose Insert, then select Audio. A panel will open that lets you browse the audio files in your Google Drive. Find the track you uploaded, select it, and click Insert. You'll immediately see a small speaker icon appear on your slide. That icon represents your audio, and you can drag it to a corner or resize it so it doesn't distract from your content. Next, fine-tune how the music behaves. Click the speaker icon to select it, then open Format Options. Here's where you control playback. For a seamless experience, set Start Playing to automatically, so the music begins the moment you land on that slide during your presentation. Then decide what should happen when you move to the next slide. If you want the music to stop as soon as you advance, turn on Stop on Slide Change. If you prefer the track to continue as you move through multiple slides, turn that option off. Think about your flow. Background music for a sequence of slides usually works best with the stop setting off, while a short sound effect or intro clip often benefits from stopping on the next slide. A few things to remember as you finalize your setup. Google Slides does not support direct music uploads from your computer. Your audio must come from Google Drive, or you can use YouTube as a source if you're building around a video instead of an audio file. When you present, the music will follow the settings you chose, so the automatic start and stop behavior will feel smooth and intentional. That's it. Upload to Drive, insert the audio, place the icon, and adjust the playback settings. With these steps, your Google Slides can sound as polished as they look.